This is the TP-Link Archer T4U wireless USB adapter. It is mainly used when the computer does not have a Wi-Fi connection. Let's see how to install this Wi-Fi adapter in Windows 10. First, plug the adapter into the USB port of the PC. Now go to your PC. The Wi-Fi adapter is now installed in Windows 10, so Wi-Fi is visible on the PC. Now you can connect your PC to Wi-Fi. PC is now connected to Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi adapter does not work even after plugging it into the USB port of the PC, then go to the second method. First, remove the Wi-Fi adapter from here. Plug the Wi-Fi adapter into the 2.0 USB port of the PC. After plugging the Wi-Fi adapter into the 2.0 USB port of the PC, Wi-Fi will be visible on the PC.